Mitro, Namaskar. Welcome to yet another episode of Lockdown Cooking. Today, this is episode 7, and I was wondering what I'm going to cook. Suddenly, मेरे ज़हन में ये बात आई that why don't I cook something as usual, another fusion dish. So yesterday, while I was sitting and going through my old book, I came across a Khasi dish which is called doijam. And doijam is basically a pork and a sesame seed dish which is absolutely fantastic, wonderful. But I do not have pork, unfortunately, but I have mutton. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a sort of a mutton dish with sesame, and it's going to be infused with a little stuff here and there. It's not exactly a Khasi dish. I will be using mutton with sesame, and I'm adding potatoes to it. Also, I would be adding a couple of other interesting ingredients and a lot of things like turmeric and ginger, garlic, all that, and bay leaves will also go into it. And we will be experimenting an Eastern influence of doijam but with mutton. So without any much ado, अपना काम करें हैं शुरू. Over to my kitchen and let's start cooking the desi version of doijam. So we are in my kitchen now. For my desi doijam, doijam is desi in any case because it's a very local tribal dish, but desi in terms of a Punjabi fusion. Obviously, I'm not comparing Punjab to Meghalaya or the cuisine because it's completely different. However, I'm going to be working on something which is very exciting. For my doijam, I'm adding potatoes to it. Garlic will go in. Ginger and kachi haldi will also go in. Red chilies will go in. Bay leaves will go in. This is ginger garlic paste. This is the paste which I have made. I have roasted the sesame a little and I have churned it till such time a little oil comes in. So that it gives you a nice little smoky flavor and it comes out fantastic. My onions go in, tomatoes go in. Obviously, without mutton, it will not be done. So my mutton goes in. But what I have done is to quicken the process a little. I have boiled my mutton and kept the stock ready. So shall we start cooking? All right. So I'm cooking this in an earthen pot. So what I am doing is my mustard oil goes in and I'll wait for my mustard oil to heat. My bay leaves will first go in and my whole chilies will go in. So थोड़ा आँच कम करो please. While all this is going in, my onions will also go in. So while my onions are being done, I will also add potatoes to it. Potatoes is a sort of a fusion version because I have never made doijam, no potato goes. It's only pork, green chilies, some red chilies, bay leaves, salt, pepper, a little bit of ginger, garlic, a lot of turmeric and sesame paste. That's what goes in. And mostly it's cooked in its own natural fat, pork fat, but a little bit of mustard oil just for the onions to be done. I'm also adding my ginger, and everything will go in like this. In addition to the garlic ginger paste and turmeric paste that I've made, I'm also adding pods of garlic, whole, not much, little bit. So my green chilies have also gone in, which have been sliced into two. My tomatoes have gone in. And we'll let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. So while this is being done, my salt will go in according to taste. People in Northeast are very generous with their salt intake because they have it with rice. So then the high level salt sort of balances it. My turmeric has also gone in. Okay, now while this is being cooked, just being cooked slowly. My mutton will go in. Mutton I have already boiled partially and just kept it. So what I'm doing now is my mutton is beginning to boil and it's getting ready. I will add the ginger, garlic and turmeric paste to this. So I can see a great whip is coming up, it's getting ready, it's getting cooked slowly but surely, and we'll just let this stay for some time. So I now will be adding the stock to this to make this the gravy, and just bring this to boil for some time. Okay, now with the stock that I've added, I will just cover it with the lid and let this boil for about 5-10 minutes, and once this is done and it reaches a boiling point, I will then be adding my sesame paste. This is boiling now. You can see it's boiling very well. Now comes my last but the least process of closing this loop. What will happen now is that my sesame will go in. See, my sesame is started to go in, and look how beautiful the color is changing. It's turning greener slowly but surely. See how beautifully the colors changed. It's gone green. Now my last lot of the sesame will go in. It's suddenly beginning to give that smoky aroma. And with the last lot, It's getting darker and darker. My dish is on the last leg of its cooking. What I'm going to do is I'll put it on low flame and cover the lid and let it cook slowly but surely for another half an hour or so, 20-25 minutes or so, and then my desi version of a mutton doi cham will be ready. I've just switched this off and I have just removed this from here. My fusion doi jam is ready. Look at the color. It is turned dark green. Fantastic. It smells absolutely awesome. So my friends, that's what we've done for today. This was episode 7. We look forward, at least I look forward, to cooking another fusion dish of my lockdown cooking, and that would be episode 8. Do give me your feedback and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Time for me to eat. Bon appetit, everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy yourself. And God bless you all. Cheers for now.